Hey everyone! Welcome back to Erudition Tutorials. Today, we'll be covering some important one-word questions from your ICSE Class 10 Biology syllabus on the circulatory system. These are key concepts you need to know for your exams. So, grab your notebooks and let's get started. Question 1. How many chambers are present in the human heart? Answer is there are 4 chambers in the human heart, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. Next question 2. Name the muscles that make up the wall of the heart. Answer is the heart wall is made up of cardiac muscles, which are involuntary and help in the continuous pumping of the heart. Next question 3. What is the protective layer that surrounds the heart? Answer is the heart is protected by a double-walled sac known as the pericardium. Question 4. Which blood vessel leaves the left ventricle of the mammalian heart? Answer is the aorta is the blood vessel that leaves the left ventricle, carrying oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. Question 5. Which valve is present between the left atrium and the left ventricle? Answer. The valve between the left atrium and left ventricle is the bicuspid valve, also known as the mitral valve. Question 6. Which blood vessel supplies blood to the kidneys? Answer. The renal artery supplies blood to the kidneys. Question 7. Which blood vessel begins and ends in capillaries? Answer. The hepatic portal vein begins and ends in capillaries, specifically in the intestines and liver. Question 8. Which blood vessels have valves in them? Answer. Veins have valves to prevent the backflow of blood. Question 9. What are the fine blood vessels in tissues where the exchange of materials occurs? Answer. These are the capillaries, which allow the exchange of gases, nutrients, and waste products between blood and tissues. Question 10. Name the metallic element present in red blood cells. Answer. The metallic element in red blood cells is iron, which is essential for oxygen transport. Question 11. What is the number of RBCs in an adult male? Answer. An adult male has approximately 5 to 6 million RBCs per cubic millimeter of blood. Question 12. What instrument is used to count RBCs? Answer. RBCs are counted using a hemocytometer. Question 13. What is the unstable compound formed when oxygen binds to hemoglobin? Answer. The unstable compound formed is oxyhemoglobin. Question 14. Which enzyme converts fibrinogen to fibrin? Answer. The enzyme responsible for this is thrombin. Question 15. What is blood plasma from which fibrinogen has been removed called? Answer. Blood plasma without fibrinogen is called serum. Question 16. Which cells protect the human body from invading bacteria? Answer. The cells responsible for protection are white blood cells, WBCs, particularly phagocytes. Question 17. Which mineral element is essential for blood clotting? Answer. The mineral element essential for blood clotting is calcium. Question 18. What fluid is found between the membranes of the heart? Answer. The fluid between the membranes of the heart is called pericardial fluid. Question 19. What is the smallest blood vessel formed by the union of capillaries? Answer. The smallest blood vessel formed by the union of capillaries is a venule. Question 20. What phase of the cardiac cycle involves the ventricles filling with blood from the atria? Answer. This phase is called diastole, where the ventricles relax and fill with blood. Question 21. Which vein starts in an organ and ends in another organ besides the heart? Answer. The hepatic portal vein starts from the digestive organs and ends in the liver. Question 22. What compound is formed when hemoglobin combines with carbon dioxide in the blood? Answer. The compound formed is carbaminohemoglobin. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you understand the topic better. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our future updates. Feel free to leave your questions and feedback in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.